Alright, we're back. Dut. No one cares about smaller and smaller every day, Dut. Welcome back to the vlog. We are working on my 240 again. If you haven't seen the last episode, we got a new body kit for my car. Finally, we're working on it, and I'm glad that we're back. Today, our goal is to get the other fender on and get the front bumper fitted.
I think we can do it.
The front end.
So we're gonna be diving in right where we left off yesterday. As you guys saw yesterday, we left off with this front fender, only connected from the underside of the hood, and we have one bolt up here by the hinge. The reason why we did that is because the front bumper, I don't know exactly where it's supposed to sit. I'm not really a 240 guy, but I'm learning. So because of that, we're gonna mock up the front bumper and the fenders kind of at the same time, just so we can know exactly where they're supposed to marry each other. That's our logic behind it, that is. And at this point in the video, you're probably like, wow, they really know what they're doing. Like, they're just going full force ahead. Well, we don't know what we're doing.
Just kidding.
We're just trying to figure it out. So let us make the mistakes for you and learn from us. FTB.
There's a whole bunch of bracket and mounting things. So if you look at these, the screws appear here on the car, and it's all a bracket. Like, this whole thing is a bracket. So all I need to do is start removing nuts and pull it off and line it up over there, and it should go on like this bumper does. Should.
Calvin and I are finding the placement for this front bumper because it's actually gonna be a little bit tricky. And when I say that, I mean, the 240 uses a bunch of like supporting brackets to connect the front bumper to the front end of the car. This being one of them. So not only do we have to drill holes for the front bumper, we also have to drill holes for the supporting pieces to the front bumper. So it's really just adding a step of complication because we need to just micromanage a bunch of other holes to make everything align itself. So we're kind of taking it a little bit slow right now at our own pace so we don't rush any process.
We drilled the 3 holes that we needed, and we're trying to make it fit, and TJ was like, okay, there has to be something in the way. So he stuck his hand underneath the thing. There's a bit of fiberglass kind of jutting out, and I'm going through the process of flattening that so we could get the bracket to fit. Or we could throw some bolts on there and try to clamp it down.
That's what I was gonna say, but I don't know how tough this is.
Yeah.
So I'd rather, let's try and file down the junk behind it, and then
if need be, some gentle persuasion is always good. But if not, let's do it the right way and make it clean.
Okay. Got it.
good luck.
It took us a few minutes, but we sanded it all down. We got it as close as we're gonna go for testing. So, as I just said, we're gonna bolt everything together and we're gonna hold it up to the bumper and see if it'll sit where it needs to be. It's quite a simple construction. Holes, bolt through the hole, and it sandwiches. So, it should, because hopefully the idea is as it gets closer, it'll make like a funnel towards that side. Okay, so as you can see, this bracket has the 4 holes at the top. It's right there. Those 4 there. That's why when we went to go test it in the air, it didn't work at all and we were super confused. It's because we didn't have the bracket on. But hopefully, it looks like something.
Hopefully the fitment is somewhat correct.
Let's start here. From the way you're looking to the left. It's slightly shifted to the left. So we need to move that. But we were able to get 1 bolt in.
We got one bolt out of 4. We need 1 right there, 1 right there, 1 right there.
As you can see, it's just
a good shot. They're not all the way lined up.
Yeah, just a centimeter or like a few millimeters off. So I'm gonna shift that, but that's not important right now. I need to see how it fits with the hood closed.
Cause I'm scared there might, the hood gap. A little off.
Oh, no, we just have to push the thing back a little bit. But the important part is that it's level, right? I can sand this down to be level, but like for the most part, that gap is acceptable.
I mean, I feel like everyone has their own like level of what works or whatnot. I'm not that big of a stickler on it. Some people are. But we definitely could shave a little bit of that. But dude, you kind of get the first look at
Wait.
the kit.
This is definitely gonna be.
That is,
A wrestling
you need
match.
it's gonna be a quite, actually when you push it in like that, I don't know how we're gonna do that yet, but.
So this has to be sharpened and the corner has to be sharpened for this to sit in there properly. The next thing we have to do is we have another bracket. There's only one more bracket after this one. So this, while the bumper was mounted, you could see that one of the sides hangs low a little bit. This will prevent that. This is the idea of this particular bracket. I'm assuming is for rigidity because the stock bumper is not plastic, but it's more flexible than this guy. So this has probably some rigidity addition going on. So I'm trying to get this to fit. Looking at this bumper, this tab is a bit larger than it needs to be. So I'm gonna just yop it off a little bit. TJ's over there trying to remove some bits off the bumper that I don't want to remove. Oh, Teach! That's a good looking shirt.
Thanks, Kyle. Did you like that?
Yeah, I heard it was December 1st. Thehuntingcompany.com. December 1st.
December 1st.
You guys are stupid.
Who lost the marker?
It's over there.
It's not.
It's over there, man.
We're not gonna make it in time for boba with Kevin if we can't find the marker.
Kevin's gonna ditch us. He's gonna ditch us for his lady friend.
Boba's good.
How are you gonna leave us like that, Jumba?
Because Boba is good.
Wait for us.
How does one just say, well, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go get boba without you.
Yeah, how does one... You know what? I got one up. You're not allowed to play COD with us.
We're not gonna send you an invite to our party.
Yeah, you're not allowed. We're blocking.
Sorry, dude.
We're blocking.
I carry.
He did carry last night.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
Nah,
I was top of score
Yeah,
for
he
3
did.
games in a row.
Yeah, he did. He did carry last night. You
Yeah,
played
I
like
don't-
shit last night.
I don't
You
need...
played like shit last night. The struggle
okay.
we're running into right now is that the front bumper and the side skirt are two different style kits, so they don't mesh very well together. So we're trying to do the best we can to make them mesh together very well. And I'm just an entry-level doctor. I'm not like a top surgeon yet, so we're doing the best we can here. So we're gonna try and map out what we can take away and what we shouldn't take away.
So
which
what? You see the triangle that it's gonna make, like.
Wait, let me see what you're looking at. Here, Calvin, move your
So. So I'm gonna
we
push
need to
this.
take.
There.
Oh, so that's supposed to fit in that.
Yeah, it's supposed to fit in that. So I'm gonna hold it like this, and you're just gonna draw the triangle that I need to cut out.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. You guys are so close.
Don't fucking kiss me.
Dude.
Don't stop. You want me to draw it for you? Okay, yeah, all right, just go. We need to make it to boba.
All right, there it is.
Better?
Yeah. So because, like I mentioned earlier before, these are completely different style kits, we, as a group, decided that we wouldn't be able to mesh them very well. So what we did is we took off some material off the bottom that wasn't tucking underneath this bumper, and we're just gonna like pretty much hide the lines of the fender. So this way, when we line it up and we get this to fit well, pretty much the part of the fender that's supposed to be tucked underneath just isn't going to be there in general, and then we might have to re-radius this fender line to look more flush with the front bumper. But this was kind of just like the rough sketch to get a better idea of what it's going to look like when everything's all said and done.
Better. Oh, it's a pretty good fit.
So now we just need to figure out how to make this side flush.
It's almost there. So this gap, I'm trying to reduce by cutting away at this bit back here. And then I'm gonna put the bracket in and just bolt them straight together. But right now, it looks pretty good. It's not bad, it looks good.
A lot closer than she was.
Yeah. This whole maneuver that I'm doing is so sketchy and dangerous. I do not recommend it. If you could do this and not be lazy, take the fender off. Because I'm shaking. But, besides that.
You almost there? Is this the top one or the bottom?
You got it?
Wait, I need the tool.
What tool?
Oh my goodness.
The socket.
Yes.
Don't chill, dude.
Chill, stop. What are you breaking at?
We did it!
I didn't know if we were gonna.
Oh God, don't hit him with it. Don't hit him with it. Oh.
I'm gonna get Popovich.
Okay, the only reason why Calvin was rushing so fast because I told him I was gonna leave and get Boba without him.
It doesn't matter if I rush, baby. Look out.
Yo, from going to something that did not fit at all.
Boy!
Radius cuts to chopping everything in half. We've somehow debauchery. We've somehow
We
made
just got
this
a
work.
little sanding here to each.
So obviously it's still a little bit rough. Like we're gonna sand all this stuff down, which should make it a lot cleaner. The lot line's gonna be like obviously cleaned up. But the main idea of today was to figure out how we were gonna like mesh both these styles together. And what we ended up doing is ditching that bracket, and Calvin just put in riv nuts, which is a great little idea to do. Very simple, makes everything much easier.
Okay.
We haven't done the right side fender. We literally just finished the left side. But now that we've finished it on the left side, we know exactly what we're going to do on the right side, which is like, we're making huge steps. This is going to be the hardest part of this whole entire like wide body kit, is making this front end work. And the fact that we just figured that out and meshed those two is super exciting. And I'm stoked for this, baby.
Are you gonna put the lights down? See if it.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully it doesn't do anything stupid. Oh!
That's pretty good.
Let's go! Let's go! That's awesome.
She's done.
Calvin, that's great.
That's we're gonna end it today. Huge progress. We will catch you guys tomorrow with another part of this video series. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward.
I'm feeling
So I'd rather let's